Q8379, a flexible hydraulic hose identified as MILH. Q8788 will have a strip running the length of the hose. This stripe is A. Installed without excessive twisting. B. For high-pressure fluids with a flexing range. C. Suitable for a wide temperature range. The correct answer is A. The stripe found on hydraulic hoses, commonly known as a twist stripe or ley line, serves a specific purpose during installation. Its primary function is to enable technicians to visually ensure that the hose is not twisted when being installed. The stripe should run straight down the length of the hose, indicating that it is properly aligned and not spiraled around. By checking the orientation of the twist stripe, technicians can verify the correct installation of the hydraulic hose, promoting optimal performance and preventing potential issues caused by twisting or misalignment. Q8380, an O-ring intended for use in a hydraulic system using MILH 5606 mineral base fluid will be marked with A. A blue stripe or dot. B. One or more white dots. C. A white and yellow stripe. The correct answer is A. O-rings designed for compatibility with MILH 5606 hydraulic fluid can be identified by the presence of a blue stripe or a blue dot. This marking serves as a visual indicator to distinguish these specific O-rings from others and ensure their proper selection for use with MILH 5606 hydraulic fluid. The blue marking helps technicians and maintenance personnel identify and differentiate O-rings that are suitable for this particular type of hydraulic fluid, promoting compatibility and preventing potential issues caused by using incorrect O-rings. Q8381. What condition would most likely cause excessive fluctuation of the pressure gauge when the hydraulic pump is operating? A. Accumulator air pressure low. B. Inadequate supply of fluid. C. System relief valve sticking closed. The correct answer is B. When there is an inadequate supply of fluid in the hydraulic system, the pump will have to work harder to maintain pressure and flow. This can cause excessive fluctuation of the pressure gauge as the pump struggles to maintain the required pressure. A sticking relief valve would cause a constant high pressure, and a low accumulator air pressure would affect the amount of fluid that the accumulator can supply, but neither of these conditions would cause excessive fluctuation of the pressure gauge. Q8382. What is a filter incorporating specially treated cellulose paper identified as? A. Sediment trap. B. Kuno filter. C. Micronic filter. The correct answer is C. A micronic filter is a type of hydraulic filter that uses specially treated cellulose paper to remove extremely small particles from the hydraulic fluid. It is designed to filter out particles as small as 3 microns in size, making it very effective at removing contaminants from the fluid. Q8383. What is the purpose of an orifice check valve? A. Relieve pressure to a sensitive component. B. Restrict flow in one direction and allow free flow in the other. C. Relieve pressure in one direction and prevent flow in the other direction. The correct answer is B. An orifice check valve is designed to allow free flow in one direction while restricting flow in the opposite direction. This is typically achieved using an orifice or small opening in the valve that allows fluid to flow freely in one direction, but creates resistance and restricts flow in the other direction. This type of valve is often used in hydraulic systems to prevent backflow and maintain pressure in the system.